Alex Israel, Metropolis' co-founder and CEO, joins me now. Alex, congratulations.
Thanks, Ashley. It's great to be here.
All right, so you say that you are developing AI for the real world. What does that mean? What is this AI doing?
Yeah, it's a great question. So if you think about AI, we talk about it, whether it's on your show or we talk about it with other pundits, we talk about AI in the palm of our hand. We talk about generative AI, we talk about LLMs. What we're deploying is AI that affects our day-to-day lives. We're deploying computer vision to create seamless experiences everywhere you go. Whether that's in a gas station, a car wash, a parking lot, how do we facilitate seamless transactions, whether you're walking in and out of an office building or pulling into a gas station?
Can you give us some use cases? If I was at a gas station, how would I be using your AI?
So right now, if you think about gas stations or parking lots, you think about a traditionally analog experience. So you pull into a parking lot, you take a ticket, you fumble with cash to try to get out or credit cards. In this use case, you're pulling into a Metropolis-enabled facility, you get a text message when you arrive, and you simply drive out when you leave. Similar experience in quick serve retail or in gas stations.
Would you have to opt into that and sign up? How does that process work?
Absolutely. So right now we're onboarding somewhere between 1 to 2 members onto our platform every 2 to 3 seconds, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So we have almost 20 million Americans that have signed up on our platform, 65,000 every single day, and growing by about 1 million every single month.
How are you getting the word out? How are people finding you?
It's an important consideration. So because of our deployment, because we've deployed to over 4,200 locations, because we're the largest applied AI company, we've been able to acquire.
Alex, I'm going to pause you for a minute. We are going to go down to the floor. You are seeing Evimmune's CEO, Luis Pena. He is signing the Distinguished Guest Book. This is the ritual that takes place before the opening bell is rung, and today is a very special day for Evimmune. Not only is Luis, who founded the company, ringing that bell, but he is also taking this company public. He will ring the first trade bell after a price discovery process. A very, very exciting day for Evimmune. They work to treat chronic inflammatory diseases and are developing medication for that. So, Alex, we're going to go back to your interview. Apologies. Thank you for your grace. So you were saying that in order to access this technology, or how are you getting the word out? Can you tell us how you're getting the word out?
Of course. So we have 4,200 locations across the United States. We're the largest applied AI company in the world. So as we deploy our technology into the real world, users, members are onboarded onto our platform, they opt in. So at this point, 1 to 2 members opt into our platform every 2 to 3 seconds, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
All right, and congratulations on the funding news. How do you plan to allocate this capital?
Everything is about growth and deployment. We're hyper-focused as an organization on how we deploy our technology to drive value to members, our 20 million Americans that have signed up onto our platform, and how we drive remarkable and irrefutable value to our partners.
All right, and I understand your firm's vision centers around the recognition economy. What is that?
Think about how much of our life is spent wasted time, whether that's ordering the same coffee over and over again, struggling to pay or find parking, struggling to get into a Class A office building. We're leveraging artificial intelligence and computer vision to eliminate those experiences, to make it seamless, so you can create seamless access, personalization everywhere you go.
What is the feedback from customers?
The feedback from customers is primarily tied to how much time we're saving them. Whether it's pulling into a parking facility or walking into a hotel, how can you facilitate that seamless experience so you get back to what matters most in life, which is spending time with your family, friends. It's not struggling to get into a building, ordering the same coffee over and over again, or struggling to find and pay for parking.
Do you think that AI essentially inherently saves us time? Do you think that's why it's been such a hit?
I think AI at its core is all about driving efficiency. And for us at Metropolis, it's all about AI into the real world. It's not about AI in the palm of our hands. It's how we leverage artificial intelligence to create personalized, seamless payment and access experiences everywhere.
And I understand you have 20 million customers and you're adding 1 million new members each month. Where is the demand highest right now across your platform?
Right now, the highest demand is in parking. That's really our foundation, and that's where we started, facilitating these seamless transactions at Metropolis locations across the United States, where you can simply pull into a Metropolis-enabled facility, get a text message when you arrive, and are seamlessly charged when you leave.
All right. And what is next for Metropolis over the next 6 to 12 months?
Furthering the deployment of our technology into the real world to facilitate seamless payments, access, and experiences everywhere.
All right, Alex Israel, Metropolis's co-founder and CEO. Thank you so much for joining us at the New York Stock Exchange, and congratulations.
Thank you for having me.